Assalamualaikum everyone, myself Amanul Aman and I have recently completed my Bachelor's of Business Administration in Marketing from Daffodil International University, achieving a CGPA of 3.60. Before my university studies, I completed my Higher Secondary Certificate HSC from Dhaka Commerce College and I also completed my Secondary School Certificate SSC from Manipur High School and College, obtaining a GPA for 4.60. Throughout my university life, I focus on developing both academic knowledge and practical skills. Alongside my studies, I completed several professional development courses including business, English, communication, digital marketing, fundamentals, video editing, and content creation, professional ethics, and customer relationship management. These learnings experience helped me strengthen to my the communication, presentation, analytics, and marketing skills. Apart from academic, I actively participate in the social business club, marketing club, university. Through the organization, I was involved in the event management activities, teamwork, and network opportunities. This experience enhanced my leadership abilities and taught me the importance of collaboration and effective communication. During my academic journey, I gained practical experience by working with Innova Properties as a marketing executive. In this role, I was responsible for supporting marketing campaigns, communicating with clients, promoting real estate projects, managing customer inquiries, and assisting in a brand promotion activities. I also contribute to social media marketing, customer management, leading generation, and marketing communication activities. These experience strengthen my understanding of marketing practice in the real estate sector and helped me develop strong communication, okay, and creativity, problem solving, and customer relationship management skills, and etc. My strengths including strong communication skills, creativity, adaptability, teamwork, or continuous learning. I also familiar with digital marketing, social management, content creation, promotional design, and basic video editing. One of my greatest interest in exploring how technology is transforming marketing industry. Looking ahead, my goal is establish a successful career in digital marketing and AI driven marketing solutions. Okay, where I can combine creativity, data analysis, and emerging technologies to create impactful marketing strategies and improve customer experience. I believe that dedication, hard work, lifelong learning are the foundations of success. I am excited to begin my professional journey, continue to developing my skills, and contribute positively to the growth and success of the organization I work with. Thank you for your time and attention.